Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will help you understand how to effectively use a data cable with your laptop. First, identify the appropriate port on your laptop, such as a USB-A or USB-C slot. Next, ensure the data cable's connector perfectly matches the port on your laptop and the device you wish to connect. Gently insert the cable into both the laptop and the peripheral device until it feels secure. This initial step is crucial for establishing a reliable connection and beginning your data transfer or charging process. There are several common types of data cables you might encounter. USB-A cables, with their rectangular shape, are incredibly versatile and widely used for many accessories. USB-C cables, featuring a smaller, reversible oval design, are becoming standard in newer laptops and offer faster speeds. For connecting to a display, an HDMI cable transmits high-definition audio and video. Lastly, Ethernet cables provide a stable, wired connection to your network, ensuring reliable internet access for your laptop. Beyond just connecting, data cables serve two primary functions: transferring data and providing power. They allow you to move files, photos, and documents between your laptop and external devices like hard drives or cameras. Additionally, many USB cables can simultaneously charge your connected devices, such as smartphones or tablets. Always check your device's specifications to ensure you are using the correct cable for optimal charging rates and efficient data exchange, maximizing your device's performance. To ensure a smooth experience, here are some troubleshooting tips and best practices. Always use compatible cables to prevent any potential damage to your valuable devices. When disconnecting external storage, remember to safely eject the drive from your operating system first. If a connection isn't working, try using a different port on your laptop or a different cable altogether. Finally, keep your cable connectors clean and free of debris for the best possible performance and longevity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.